The question we all face is how to eat right for a great physique. And how much carbohydrates, fats, proteins should I consume on a daily basis to attain that great physique, to keep fit and to be regular in fitness. So here are my greatest tips to be in good shape, to eat right for a healthy lifestyle. Of course, the numbers will always differ when you are following a special diet or when you are working towards a goal or even getting ready for that competition or photo shoot. Let's see how you can eat your carbohydrates, proteins and fats right to maintain regular energy. So what are the right amounts of protein that you could consume on a daily basis? For a person like me who's 180 pounds of body weight, I would consume 180 grams of protein. 180 grams of protein, that is 1 gram of protein per pound body weight. So this could come from lean proteins such as poultry, your eggs, lean fish, and the list goes on. Carbohydrates, on the other hand, would be somewhere between 2 grams of carbs per pound body weight. So for me, it's 360 grams. I always prefer to stick to that complex carbs such as sweet potatoes, yams, brown rice, and the list goes on. When it comes to fats, I would recommend somewhere between 0.5 grams of fats per pound body weight. But personally, I prefer to stay somewhere between 60 to 80 grams of fats. Now, fats could come from good fat sources such as avocados, your coconut oils, olive oils, fish oils. So putting all these three macros together, let's see how exactly we could eat them right. Yes, you heard me. You need to eat them right because it's not always about how much macros you're going to consume. Let us look at my 3 eating rules and let me explain you why exactly do I do that. Rule number 1, it's best to divide those meals between 4 to 6 meals to keep that metabolic rate running. Throughout the day, I would eat somewhere between 30 to 50 grams of protein and 60 to 80 grams of carbs per meal. Definitely, it depends on your body weight and amount of macros or calories what you are eating. Rule number 2, don't overeat your meal at once. By breaking down your meals into several caloric intakes into smaller meals, you will not be overloading your digestive system. Smaller meals have a lot of impact on insulin resistance. As you know, insulin is a very powerful hormone and excess insulin can create excess fat in your body. Rule number 3, always eat your proteins and carbs together. When they are combined, the rate at which the meal is broken down into energy is slower, which gives you lower lasting energy without having a major impact on your insulin. Carbohydrates eaten by themselves will cause a rapid increase on that blood sugar level, which might spike up your insulin. On another video, let me explain you how exactly to calculate those macros for your certain body type and the goals that you want to reach. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for listening and see you on another episode.